Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about how to print a presentation. So to print a presentation, we have to click the print option in the file tab. The print pane appears as you can see in this figure. So this is the print pane. Okay. Now here we have certain options. The first option is select printer. So as you can see here, you have this select printer option here. So by clicking on this option, you can select the printer by which you want to print your slides. The second option is print all slides or specify the slides. So suppose you have say 5 slides or 3 slides, 1, 2 and 3. So print all slides or specify the slides allows you to check whether you want to print all of them or whether you want to print some of them. Say suppose you want to print only slide number 2 and slide number 3 and not slide number 1. So you don't want to print this slide. So you can also specify this. You can specify that you don't want to print number 1 and you will print only number 2 and number 3. Then you have the option of select number of copies. So here you can see there is the option number of copies, that is how many copies do you want to make. So suppose you have 3 slides, slide 1, slide 2 and slide 3. This is slide 1, this is slide 2 and this is slide 3. And you specified number of copies as 2. So here you specified 2. So what will happen is that you will get, by this red color I am showing you the printed copies. So you will get 2 printed copy of each slide, or the number of slides you have specified to print. So here I am assuming that you want to print all the slides. So you will get 2 copies, 1, 2, 3. This is first copy and this is second copy. So 1, 2 and 3. Then we can also select the print layout that is present here. This is the option. And then we can select collated or uncollated. By collated or uncollated, we mean that do we want to print all the slides of a presentation once and then we want to print the second copy, or do we want to print the slides one by one? This we will go through in a bit, in a few more time we will go through this point. And then finally we have this preview the slide option. So by preview the slide, we can preview what kind of slide or how the slide appears. Let's go back. So first point is click the print option of the file tab and the print pane will appear. Then it has options to print the entire presentation, specific slides, handouts, note pages or outline pages. So these options are there. You can print either the entire presentation, you can print some specific slides, some handout, note pages, whatever you want you can print. There are 4 different print layouts. Full page slides. So the first one is full page slide. It prints a full page for each slide in the presentation. The second one, so this is the option, this is, you can see here, this is full page slide. Similarly, you have notes pages. It prints each slide along with any speaker note for the slide. So if there is any note, then that note will also get printed. So this is the option. Then we have outline. It prints the overall text of the entire presentation. So this is the outline. It will print the overall text. And finally, we have handouts. It prints thumbnail version of each slide. So the thumbnail version is printed by this handout. Then you can print all the pages of the same copy, or page 1 of all the copies, page 2 of all the copies, and so on. So if you are printing all the pages of same copy, then it is called collated, otherwise uncollated. Let me explain you the difference. So suppose we are having 3 slides in our presentation. So slide number 1, slide number 2, slide number 3. What will happen in collated? In collated, you print all the pages of the same copy. So it happens that whenever you print, so while printing, first you print all the pages of first copy, and then you print the pages of second copy. So after printing the first page, you will go to the second page and you will print it. So this is page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. So in case of collated, first these 3 pages will be printed, and then these 3 pages will be printed. So this is collated. Now let's look at uncollated. In case of uncollated, suppose we have again 3 pages, page number 1, page number 2, or slide. By pages I mean slides. So page and slide are same. So slides 1, 2, 3. If we want 3 copies, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So first what will happen is that we will get 2 copies of one. So if you want 2 copies, so first we will get 2 copies of one. Then we will get 2 copies of 2. And finally 2 copies of 3. So let me change the color. So first these 2 copies will be printed, then these 2 copies will be printed, and finally these 2 copies will be printed. This is the case of uncollated. This is the case of uncollated. Finally, we have to click print to print the slide. So this is the way how we print slides.